What are you doing? What are you waiting for? What is stopping you? You are dreaming for a long time to accomplish your goal. Or it's just a dream. Take action and fix your life. You are not here on earth to just sleep and eat. If you think you have a long time to make your dreams come true, that's where you're wrong. As they say, life is too short. Get up. Only dead people have no solution. What else is needed? You already have the best tools to master life, and that is your mind. Most people aspire to achieve greatness, and you have the power to show them the way. Continue pushing forwards, trust in yourself, and everything will eventually fall into place. When it does, you will have not only achieved your own goals, but also inspired countless others to pursue their dreams. I had to learn how to fight alone, and through that process, I developed an unbreakable inner strength. The challenges I faced made me stronger and more resilient. Each struggle was a lesson, each setback a step towards becoming the person I am today. Through these experiences, I have grown and learned to appreciate the value of perseverance and inner fortitude. These struggles have also taught me to value others more deeply and have expanded my capacity for compassion. It was in the depths of my darkest moments that I found the strength to persevere. Now, with a clearer perspective, I see the world and my place in it with greater clarity and understanding. I faced significant internal challenges, but now I feel prepared to overcome any obstacle that comes my way. I am proud of the person I have become. My journey, though solitary, has been one of growth and self-discovery. I take pride in the respect I have earned from others and, most importantly, the respect I have for myself. Walking this path alone has allowed my dreams to unfold and has made me stronger. I am a lone wolf, comfortable in my solitude and confident in my ability to handle things on my own. It's not an easy path, but it has made me resilient and self-reliant. The sweet scent of success is my reward, and I don't need a crowd to celebrate it. I am focused, a rolling stone steadily making my way to the top. Being a lone wolf is not without its challenges, but it is immensely rewarding. As I walk this path alone, my dreams continue to unfold. For anyone feeling isolated, remember that loneliness is not about the absence of others, but about the absence of inner peace and self-love. You are conditioned to believe you need someone else to complete you, but you don't. You feel lonely because you compare your life to others instead of focusing on your own journey.
Instead of dwelling on your solitude, shift your focus to serving others, loving others, and giving your best to everyone you encounter. When your thoughts are centered on helping others and making a positive impact, the feeling of loneliness diminishes. Loneliness thrives when your thoughts are solely about yourself and what you lack. Embrace your journey, cherish your solitude, and focus on becoming the best version of yourself. By doing so, you not only improve your own life, but also inspire others to find their inner strength and follow their own paths. Your resilience, compassion, and determination will light the way for those who look up to you, showing them that it is possible to achieve greatness, even when walking alone. Going through life on your own can be incredibly tough, but if you keep moving forward and stay true to who you are, the rewards at the end will make all the hardships worthwhile. Walking alone might be the hardest journey you'll ever undertake, but it's also the one that will make you the strongest. This solitary path forges your character more than any other experience. For those battling challenges solo and facing critics and naysayers, stay strong and keep pushing forward. The toughest journeys often lead to the most beautiful destinations. The steepest climbs offer the best views. It will all make sense and be worth it in the end. When you show the world what you're truly made of, the right people, the ones who truly belong in your life, will appear. You won't be a lone wolf forever. You possess unique qualities that few can admire, because most don't possess them themselves. Your strength and resilience are rare, born from facing adversity head-on. Don't give in, don't settle for less, and don't diminish your expectations just to blend in. You weren't born to blend in. You were born to stand out and lead the pack. Think of the wolf on the hill. It's never as hungry as the one climbing the hill. Always be that wolf, climbing, striving for more, eager to grow, and reaching for the highest levels you can. Never look back. Always focus on the next step forward. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. It's better to walk alone in the right direction than to follow the crowd going the wrong way. Stay strong and dare to be different. Your future is in your hands. Get out there and hunt it down. Achieving success is often a lonely road, and it's not for everyone. Those who follow others will never truly discover who they are. Only those who forge their own path can unlock their true potential. Those who fly solo have the strongest wings. Subscribe to our channel, my friend.